Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna talk about some summer favorites, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, like usual, I didn't film this eye look, but I will list down below everything that I have on my face. And let's start this summer favorite with some SPFs, because sunscreen is important in every season, so I need to recommend some. And the first one is the Supergoop Unseen sunscreen. I did purchase this pretty recently, but it's very nice. It is like a gel and it's called Unseen because you don't get a white cast with this one, and it sinks into the skin pretty nicely, and it is a good primer for makeup as well, so I do really like it. It's SPF 30, which is the minimum amount of SPF, I feel like, but it is a really good product, so I do recommend this one. And the other one that I want to recommend is the Vichy SPF 50, and I use this one for the body, and it's really nice. It is a spray, so it's easier to apply, and I like it. It smells pretty nice, and I really like that it's a spray, so it's very easy to apply, so I want to recommend this one as well. Let's talk about some makeup, and the first one is colorful eyeliners, and I will film a video with a battle of the eyeliners or something like that. I don't know how to call it yet, but I'm testing a lot of them. As you can see, my favorites so far are the Nabla one, the Too Faced one, and I love the fresh shade from LA Girl. These three I did recommend in some other videos, but I will test a bunch of new ones and let you know my opinion. But so far these are really good staples, so I really been loving eyeliners. I'm trying them out, so I am creating wing liners with them and apply them in the waterline as well, just to test them out in both situations. And yeah, it's very fun. I really like them, and they are very colorful, so I could do a very neutral eye and then put just a green eyeliner or something like that, and I am very colorful already. The next thing is a pretty recent favorite, and that is fluffy brows. I very recently tried the Too Faced Fluff and Hold, and I really like it. It is a really good laminating brow gel, and I'm wearing it today. And the thing that I've been loving in the last couple of weeks is a more natural fluffy brow. So I'm just applying this product first, and then I'm just applying a tiny bit of pencil in here and in here, just in the inner part. Today I have just a tiny bit in here as well, but I've been wearing brow pencil only in the inner part, and I really like it. I do that just to define the brows a bit, and it looks really amazing. So I already love this product, and I did wear it to work, so at least 10 hours, and it wore beautifully. So it is a really good product, and I love bushy fluffy brows right now. The next thing on my list is layering blushes, and I just love adding a cream blush and on top a powder blush. It just adds a bit of dimension. You create different colors, and it just wears better as well. So today I'm wearing the LYS cream blush, and I have the shade Confident in here. This is an amazing blush. It looks so stunning. And on top of the LYS I have this MAC Sweet Enough blush in the Mineralize formula. They are pretty similar in color, but they look so stunning, and this combo wears so amazing. So I do really love layering blushes. I feel like mixing blushes is very fun, and if you have like 3 blushes, you can create a bunch more because the ratio of each blush is creating other colors. So I do recommend trying that out. The next thing on my list is lip glosses, and I did film the Battle of the Juicy Lips if you are curious about some of my glosses, because I did buy other ones after the video. I am quite proud about that video, so I want to recommend it. And I have 3 formulas in here. The first one is the Sigma Renew Lip Oil, and I have in here the shade Tranquil. A really good lip oil, is really amazing. And then I have 2 more affordable options. This is just amazing. I am very impressed with this one. Is the Catrice Volumizing Lip Booster, and this smells amazing. It is very minty, and it smells actually like mint, it's amazing. It's not burning or something. The volumizing part is actually cooling, so I feel like it's very, very comfortable on the lips. I really like it. And the more recent one to my collection is the Zara Nourishing Jelly, and I have the shade Decadent, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it is another lip oil and it's the light pink shade. This is really nice. It has this small applicator. The only thing that I don't like about this is the packaging, because the bottom part is at an angle as well as the top part. So this falls very easily, which is not ideal, but the product itself is really nice. Then I want to include a palette in here. Even though I filmed a video with 5 palettes for summer, I want to mention this one in this video as well. This is the ABH Nouveau, and it's a very stunning palette. I do really like it. The quality in here is amazing, and the color story is more neutral, a bit more toned down. You have some pop of colors in this palette, even though it's pretty neutral. You have these shimmery greens, and this one in here, it's a beautiful army green. Of course, you have this very stunning purple, and I do really like the textures in here. It is a really, really good palette. ABH did amazing with this palette, and if the next palette looks as nice as this one, I will buy it because it is really good quality. And the last favorites are about hair, because I am right now really interested in some products and how to make my hair look a bit more voluminous, because I have pretty straight and flat hair. But yeah, I'm very interested in hair things, but nothing too complicated, because I can do pretty decent, intricate looks with makeup, but with hair I am the worst. So let's start with this volumizing texturizing spray from IGK. I adore this product. I think I recommended this product in a bunch of videos, but I love it that much. It's called IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texturizing Spray. A really amazing product. I do really like it. It just adds a bit of something to your hair, and I can create volume with this, which is amazing, and I really love it. Another thing that is a recent favorite are hairbands, and as you can see, I'm wearing one as well. I really like them because you can create a bit of volume with the hairband, and even though my hair is greasy like it is today, I can just push my hairband a bit and create some volume in here. And in the summer, I don't really like having any hair. I don't like that in any season, but in the summer it's very annoying to have hair in my face, or I don't know, when the wind is blowing or something. I don't like my hair to be everywhere, so I like hairbands for that as well. You can match them with your outfits, and I feel like it's really cute. And the last thing in here is my pink hair. I am very happy that I decided to bleach my hair and to have it pink. It is very cute. I really like it. It fits me very well. And along with my pink hair, I want to recommend this product. This is the brand Teknia. In a video about my hair care routine, because I did film that one, I named this one Tenica because it sounds better in my head, but it is called Teknia. So filmed an entire video, edited, and didn't realize I just uploaded it. And when I was looking back at the video, I did realize that I named this one wrong. So yeah, sorry about that. So this is the Teknia. I need to try hard to name this one correctly. Hair Care Violet Lavender Shampoo. They have corresponding hair masks as well. So if you don't want a shampoo, they have a mask with this color as well. And they have multiple colors. So if you have red hair, or I don't know what other colors they have really, but pink, red at least they have for sure. But this is amazing. I didn't use this product last time when I was washing my hair, so that's the reason my hair is not that pink. But if you have blonde hair, you can use this product and create a more rose gold color on yourself, which is very beautiful in my opinion. And this is helpful with rustiness as well, because it is a more cool toned color by being purple. So this is an amazing product. I really like it. Okay, and these are all my summer favorites. I am very excited that in a week, when you are seeing this, I think it's the next week, I am going home and I will stay by the beach, and I am very, very excited about that. And yeah, so if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.